Welcome to room 122 at the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. This is a swim-up suite. Just a regular swim-up suite here. So when we come in, we see the bathroom to the left. And you can close these doors for privacy. So then your bathroom on this side is closed off. And you also have doors over here that look into the bathroom from the bedroom, and you can close these off as well for complete bathroom privacy if you want that. It's a nice feature. Alright, so we'll go back in the bathroom. Okay, the shower is pretty large. There's the controls. It's got a large rain head there. And you get shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And it has a handheld. And we've got double sinks. And they gave me a shaving kit, sewing kit, shower cap, vanity set, and a bar of soap. And they also have mosquito repellent and body lotion. I guess that's not just a cup there. I just checked in, so I don't even know what's here. And a separate toilet area, which has its own separate door, so you can have complete privacy in the toilet area. Over here is the digital safe. You've got two drawers here, scale for your bag to weigh, got some shelves up there, and this one you have two robes, put your shoes down here, and you've got an iron and an ironing board. It's not a full-length mirror, but it's big enough to see what you look like in the evening if you want to see how you're dressed. Room for your luggage. It's got a large TV. That's the doors there that close off the shower. So if you open it, you can see in. So I'll step back a bit. So you can see right into the shower if you leave them open, and if you want to leave them open when you're taking a shower, then you can have a view out your balcony there. Got your phone, some master switches, reading light, king bed. Got some water, an espresso coffee machine. Got a couple of pods there. There's not that many, but a couple. Mini bars included, and you have Tecate light and regular, and Coca-Cola. Got Sprite, mineral water, diet, and regular Coke, and 4 waters. A seating area if you order room service. It's a little love seat. And they said this was a Bluetooth device, so if you didn't bring a Bluetooth device of your own, you can tap into this one. And here's the view. I'm a World of Hyatt member, so I think that's why I got such a great room location. I'm steps away from the beach here actually, so you've got 2 chairs. You have a handrail and steps to go into the pool, the swimming pool. And pool goes back here. And this is to the beach area. Hey, there's the beach right over there. So I actually have, if I step way over here, I actually have a peekaboo ocean view. So that is the swim up suite here, the regular swim up suite. It's actually a tropical view swim up at the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya, which used to be Secrets Capri. If you have any questions about this resort or other all-inclusive resorts in Cancun or the Riviera Maya, you can always visit my blog at allinclusivegal.com.